Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on Windward Road towards Diock Road. On the right, we are passing the Jamaica Private Power Company. Windward Road continues right, straight ahead is Flower Mills Road, and we are turning onto Diock Road. On the left is Commission Road. On the right is Water Road. On the left is Adastra Road. Diock Road ends here, and we are turning back towards Windward Road. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.